The trick is to have enough on there to keep your paint moving, but not so much that it swims. So I'm going to keep a little more on there than I had before. And I realize that our instructions ask us for a chisel blender, so that's why I used that to begin with. But what I would prefer to use is a very small filbert. This one, which is actually a small mop, so I'm going to keep that next to me. I also have another really tiny filbert that I need to find. So these are the brushes I'm going to use. As well as my dome blender. Okay, so let's look at that top. Our instructions are: dampen it with the extender, touch the corner into silver highlight mix, and place in the light area. So I'm getting a small amount of light on my brush, and in the light area we see on our map is with an X, because it's going to be the same area that it is on the lamp part. So let's just put some light in right here. Okay, put that all the way up. Going to pinch that out. We're going to pick up the next value lower, put it next to it on both sides. Then I'm going to take my mini mop and I'm going to blend these together. And I'm going to keep my towel right next to me so that I can continue to wipe it, because if you don't wipe off your excess paint as you blend, then you're just pushing the paint around and you're not blending. Okay, so let's go to the next value and just come on around. Continuing. I'm beginning to run out of space on this side, so I have to make my things smaller. My areas smaller. Now you can start to see how this is making this look round. And now this dark will be the last color on this side. Okay, keep going. until we get to the very darkest value of our silver mix back here. And don't forget this area back here. Okay. And now you have that rounded part of your lamp. The back clips would be value 7. Which was the light mix. Go a little bit lighter here, and we're just going to kind of pull these little light areas in this clip, just so we can see where they turn out. Now this clip back here we're leaving a little darker, just barely. And then we can also go down here to our darks and put in some dark values for these clips. Okay, and we'll do some more refining of that later on after we get the glass on. Now the wick, highlight that in value 7. Well, let's get this little turn thing on here. We turn it on. And then let's go back up and put a highlight on it. Okay. Alright. Let's shade the base of the wick with a dark book page mix. Put that right here. Okay. And then we're going to go with our warm black, our soft black. Put just a little bit of a charcoal tipped edge right here. There we go. Soften that a little bit. Alright, well, I'm going to work on doing this again, and then I'll see you on the next tape, and we'll go with the book.